Hello everyone. As you know, Sora AI has been launched recently, and if you want to gain access to the beta version, I've got you covered. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get access to the Sora AI easily. So let's get started. First of all, go to your browser, then search Google engine. Here, search Sora AI. Now open the first link, which is provided by the OpenAI. After the website is open, let's talk about Sora AI. What is Sora AI? Sora AI is actually a bot that makes videos from your text. Right now, you cannot access Sora AI because it is not available to public. It is only available for professional work only. So these are some of the videos that are created by using Sora AI. All these videos are created by using Sora AI. So Sora AI will be available for public sooner or later. It is not in beta testing right now. It is only available for professionals. So be patient. It will be available for public very soon. So thanks for watching this video and make sure to like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.